Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is 700 credit score versus 800 credit score. Is it really that worth it? So, I see it in the news, I see it all in the newspapers and over the internet where they talk about getting to an 800 score. How you go about getting to an 800 score? Well, today, hopefully, I can get you to think critically and not just get caught up with all the hype with getting an 800 credit score. Okay? Before we get started, make sure to put a comment at the bottom. Hit that bell. Make sure to destroy that like button and become a subscriber. Okay? Like I said, without you, there's no me. All right? So, that being said, now, is it really that important to have an 800 credit score? Now, 800 credit score wouldn't be that bad. But can you survive without having an 800? Yes, you can. My philosophy when it comes to credit, as long as you build a credit history where they see you're being responsible, you're paying your bills on time, all right? And if you're the type of person like me, if you're able to pay off your car, have no student loans because you paid them off, have no credit cards because you paid them off, then maybe you have a house, you're about to pay that off, right? So is it really a need to have an 800 credit score? My philosophy is if you're at least 700 or higher, there really shouldn't be all that different. I'm pretty sure if you have 700 or higher that your interest rate would be pretty low regardless, right? So once you start paying off things, the best route to really go is cash, because cash rules. Okay, it can help you to negotiate for a much cheaper price. And people say, you need credit, you need a high score to start your own business or whatnot. But nowadays, a lot of businesses are going online. The brick and mortar are becoming the thing of the past. Pretty soon, everything's going to be online. Look at Amazon, capitalizing on everything, right? So that's going to be forcing more people, more businesses to go online and compete there. So do you really need that much money to start a business online? Not really. So, you really don't have to take out a loan for that. So as far as the 800 credit score goes, it's not that much different. You're still going to be able to get certain things that a normal 700 or higher would get. So it's not that different. All right. So hopefully that answers your question for those individuals who are trying their hardest and putting forth the effort in order to get that 800 credit score. I don't even have credit cards anymore. The last time I paid my credit card, I paid it off, and I never used a credit card ever since. I have higher than 700 anyway. I'm like 760, 770. So what more do I really need, right? So now I just pay with cash everything. I just try to pay it cash, and I have enough history. So, and this is my business. This is the beginning of my other way of trying to bring an income in that is something where you can put the hard work and equity in without putting so much money into it, until eventually you start seeing a return, and then you can start using that money to reinvest and have a much bigger platform, all right, to become an entrepreneur. So until then, I hope I answered some questions that a lot of people were thinking about. So until then, put a comment. Maybe you disagree or agree. Let me know. Make sure to hit that bell. Make sure to destroy that like button and become a subscriber. Have a great day.